In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, just hold your display and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on the best theme for you and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my Motorola has changed. If you want to customize it, go into Settings, scroll to tap on Personalize, select Themes and then click on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then adjust your theme however you want to. Pick a wallpaper, font style, color, and icon shape. Then name it at the top and hit save. Your theme will be automatically applied. If you want to make any changes to it, you can tap on this pen at the top right corner and change whatever you want to. If you wish to delete one of your custom themes, apply any other one. And then use this bin also at the top right corner. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!